hate people. Yeah, the passion for robots comes from a deep-seated hatred of humans, so I want to be on the winning side. 13 different robots here, and they're all radically different. So it's not like vacuum cleaning robots where 10 different companies will put out vacuum cleaning robots and they all look almost exactly the same. Every robot is totally unique because they're just made by people and they all have different options. Some of them are very functional and can make many, many different drinks. Others are very nifty looking but can only make one drink, for example. Like there's the Austrian robot, which just slings a shot of whiskey all the way down the bar. There's Chapek, who makes martinis. And then you get something like iLush, which is actually this very complicated touchscreen device, which can make a very wide array of different cocktails.
Grab yourself a cup, put some ice in it, and then press one of these buttons, and then press the two-person button. So she's pressed the button for Long Island iced tea, the small one, because the Long Island iced teas are very strong tonight. We're not certain why our bot is being fickle, but it's being fickle.
Bots are fickle.
Yes.
Here's the fickle bots. Cheers.
Close. What's going on behind the scenes, there are 10 canisters on the inside that have the different types of boozes in them. And each one of them has a gravity valve. And the central computer will actually open up the valves as long as necessary to dispense all of the alcohols to make the drink that was selected. So based on the drink, the program knows to open up the solenoids for so many seconds, and it dispenses all the drinks into one cup, and you're done. Tonight we only have about 6 that are actually working. We're having a couple of bugs, and the next version is literally going to be able to actually make thousands of drinks. And we'll have a touch panel, and you can select things. You can make custom drinks and so forth. If you'd like to find out more about these, we're Party Robotics, and you can find out about us at partyrobotics.com.
This is Chassis over here, and Chassis is a mobile beer serving robot. He's basically a keg on wheels. Where normally he will serve you a beer or wine. He's made from an old piece of service station equipment, and we powered him up with motors and things like that, and a little remote control, so he just goes around and serves beer. He's also got a personality. He's a little bit cheeky, so you might not want to get too close because he'll grab you. He took a year, but not full time, kind of nights and weekends and stuff like that. There's a lot of recycled parts and a lot of repurposed things.
Just got it in my head I was going to always been in robots, so I dove in and I got kind of hooked. And it started out with just like, you know, surfing around the internet and looking at cool pictures and cool parts and plans, and just I was kind of lurking on these boards and watching. I was reading about them building these things, and I thought, well, what the hell, I'll try it. Well, it was a year, and you know, off and on weekends and an evening here and there, and I don't know, hundreds of hours at least, if not thousands.
Diameter for the Cosmobot. We're trying to get space tourists satisfied with their thirst. So the rocket is designed to help, as you see, create proper cocktails. There we go, sir. Turn the dial. Choose the drink. That's it.
Okay.
Now, put in the token. Big red shiny button.
And are we ready?
And launch.
Go!
All right. Pressurization is in effect. 4 major E's. Vodka. Okay. Enjoy.
The overall idea of any event like this is, of course, to have fun. But when it comes down to it, you can have fun and be developing a business at the same time, because there's a lot of entertainment value with these robots that could serve, at a regular bar. But also there's the expedited system of if there's a big long line and there's only 2 bartenders, and you're just trying to get a drink. A lot of these very functional robots, such as Bartendro or iLush, can make a drink very quickly, and you don't have to stand in line. So a bar could actually have, say, 10 robot bartenders all in line, and you would just walk up, swipe your credit card or your RFID tag, and get a cocktail very quickly.